In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your mouse cursor in Windows 10. If you're doing software training, one of the most important things that you need to do is to demonstrate the click path, which means your viewers need to be able to see the mouse cursor clearly. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can change your mouse cursor. Let's get into it. So first thing you want to do is to hit the start button there and settings. The first way you can change your cursor is going to ease of access right there. So once you've hit the mouse button, here you're able to change the pointer size, so you can go from smaller to larger, and you can change the pointer color by clicking there, and you can go to black and also inverted. Once you've got the combination that you're happy with, you need to actually see how that cursor looks against the color scheme of the software that you're going to be training on. If you're not happy with that approach and you want some more options, go to step 2 here, and this is where you can go to devices instead, and you want to select additional mouse options. Now here's where you can see the different pointer schemes. If you click on the tab there, that top section, you'll see that there's the drop down arrow. They're like the different themes that you can use, and the preview pane on the right. And on the bottom, these are the different aspects of the cursor, like if you're hovering over a link, for instance. By clicking on browse, you can see a selection of all the different cursors that are available. Click on the drop down arrow, select and test out different themes or different schemes, and you'll see what they look like in real time. The one I prefer is the magnified system scheme. I love the dark edges around it there. It makes it very easy to see, in my opinion. Now if you want to change different aspects of the cursor, you click on browse, choose say this one here, I'm doing the extra large. You can customize it to that level, and you can even save that as a custom scheme if you choose. By testing out different combinations, you'll be able to find a mouse cursor that's going to stand out against the background. If you want to learn how to make that cursor look even larger through Camtasia 9, click on the card to learn how to do that. The third way you can change the mouse cursor is by going and changing the behaviors behind it. So by going to pointer options, you're able to make that cursor go faster or slower. On the fast end, you start losing a bit of control. And below, invisibility, by checking here, you can give the cursor a longer tail or a shorter one. So it's something that the eye can follow. So yes, although you can follow the cursor very easily with the trail, it's really not my favorite. So you really do need to test this out to see what works best. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and remember, I'm here to help take the stress and confusion out of making great training videos. If you want to learn how to use screen capture to make better tutorials, software demos, or other kinds of training resources, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.